Want to permanently delete your Facebook account on Android? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to do it, so watch till the end. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone and tap the menu or three lines in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Now tap Settings. After that, tap Account Center at the top. Next, tap Manage Accounts. Now tap Manage. Then tap Deactivation or Deletion. Choose Delete Account. Tap Continue. Review what happens after deletion. Tap Continue and follow the screen instructions. Then confirm it. Your Facebook account is now scheduled for deletion. You have up to 30 days to cancel the deletion by logging back in. After that, your account will be permanently deleted. Like the video and subscribe for more Android and social media tips. Drop a comment if you need help. See you in the next one.